Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure UTM tracking links for LinkedIn in GA4, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Google Analytics 4 account. Navigate to the admin section on the bottom left corner of the screen. Under the property column, click on Data Streams. Select the web data stream that you want to track LinkedIn links for. Scroll down to find the Measurement Protocol section. Take note of your measurement ID, which begins with G- followed by a series of letters and numbers. Now, open a new tab and access the Google Campaign URL Builder. In the Campaign URL Builder, begin by entering the URL of the web page you want to link to. In the next field, enter your campaign source as LinkedIn. For the campaign medium, enter social. In the campaign name field, provide a relevant name that describes your campaign. Optionally, you can fill in the campaign term and campaign content fields for additional tracking. After completing the fields, copy the generated URL at the bottom of the page. Next, go back to your LinkedIn account. Create a new post or advertisement that directs users to the generated tracking URL. Before publishing, double-check the link to ensure it is working correctly. After the post is live, return to Google Analytics 4. In GA4, go to the Reports section from the left-hand sidebar. Click on Acquisition, then select Traffic Acquisition. Here, you can view traffic coming from your LinkedIn campaign. Use the filter options to drill down to specific sources, mediums, or campaign names. Monitor the performance of your LinkedIn links by analyzing the data over time. Make adjustments to your campaigns as needed based on the performance insights you gather. This completes the configuration of UTM tracking links for LinkedIn in GA4. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.